Hey y'all, welcome back for another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we are making some Louisiana red beans and rice. So first I'm going to start with a preheated cast iron pot, or you can just use a heavy bottom pot. I'm adding in a lot of olive oil and we're going to let that heat up. Once your oil is heated, go ahead and drop in your sliced white onion, and we're going to also add in some diced celery as well as some green bell pepper. We're going to let this saute for a good 2 minutes until it's a little softened and slightly caramelized. Now it's time to add in our sausage. You want to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to get a little color on the sausage before moving on. Now I'm adding in some minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, I recommend that instead of the already minced. And also I'm adding in some green seasoning. Oh my gosh, y'all have to see the green seasoning recipe that I have. It's plenty of them on YouTube as well. It's pretty simple and easy. Now I'm going in with a couple seasonings. I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out at the end of the video. You can also screenshot it if you need to. We're gonna mix that up, let that green seasoning cook up a bit and break down, let those flavors absorb. So now we're gonna add in our soaked beans. I soaked mine overnight. I'm gonna mix that in very well. Okay, last but not least, you want to add in some chicken broth and water. Like I said, I will have all the measurements and ingredients listed down below in the description box. We're going to give this a mix and let it cook for about an hour and 30 on a low temp. I will bring it to a boil towards the end, and then I'm just going to drain a little bit of beans. I'm going to mash them up as much as I can. This will make your red beans and rice come out pretty thick, and that's what you want when you're making red beans.
Things coming to me that I wanted or whatever, drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, just before.
Now you can easily just put some beans in a blender and blend it like that, but I just decided to use my masher, and then we're going to put that back into the pot, and you will see me go back in and mash up some more. I want it to be thicker, so just do it to your liking. If you don't want it as thick, then you don't have to mash them as much, but if you don't mind, then I would say mash them up some more, but to your liking. And that's really it, y'all. It's so simple and easy. Oh, I love this for fall season and winter season. When it starts snowing up north and it's getting really cold, it warms your belly up. It just brings joy to your family. So if you decide to make this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines story. And also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a part of the family already. See y'all next time.